Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Gemini to generate pictures using your selfies or whatever it is. So I'm just going to insert an image and I'm just going to add this prompt. You can use any prompt that you want. For this, there's a lot of prompts if you just search them around. Then I'm just going to press enter. If you want to make it a little bit better, you can go to tools and create images using Nano Banana. But it still works fine, so you're just going to wait a few seconds for it to generate. It doesn't take that long, so generating image. And this is what it should look like. Super pretty. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!